Welcome to Top Pro Digital Mixer tutorial. So today we shall talk about the gain for this digital mixer. So this is a quite unique mixer where it doesn't have any digital gain. All gain are physical gain on top of this mixer. So you can see it's all physical analog gain. So which means we cannot do any setting of the gain using the touchscreen or using the tablet. So everything will be on the manual knob on here. So basically all these are represent channel 1 up to channel 20. So we just adjust gain accordingly here. So that is all for today, and bye bye.